Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make Maggi pizza, noodles pizza, exactly what you see on the screen. Let's dive into it, everyone. So first, I'll place a clean pot on fire, then add the quantity of water I want to cook and bring it to a boil. After it boils, I will empty my noodles or Maggi into the water. Hello, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. And thanks on my Jenny subscribers for your wonderful support. I really appreciate it. So I will empty my Maggi or noodles into the boiled water and cover to cook on a medium heat for 10 minutes. While that is aside, I'll go ahead and dice my green pepper to the size or into smaller sizes suitable for my Maggi pizza. You could dice yours or cut yours according to the size or the shape you would love to. Okay, so keep watching, don't go away. If you're new, thanks for coming. Like, comment and share my video to your friends and family, and subscribe because interesting and yummy videos are updated every week on this channel, everyone. All right, so I'll set that aside. My number 2 ingredients is my carrot, so I'll go ahead and scrape it and dice it to the shape I would like to use for my Maggi pizza. Like I said earlier, dice or cut yours according to the shape you would like or you prefer, but I love the shape that I'm cutting mine in this recipe. Wow, this recipe is very yummy and it can be served as breakfast, lunch, dinner, back to school lunch, breakfast idea for moms who are looking for what to prepare for kids going back to school. This is a nice one. So my number 3 ingredient is 1 medium-sized fresh tomato. I'll go ahead and cut it round, and then I have my medium-sized onions. I'm cutting it round. Cut yours according to the size or shape you would like. So at this point, I'll just take a clean spoon and flip the noodles or Maggi into the shape, into the other part, so it will be properly cooked. And then I'll go ahead and add the seasoning from the noodles. Keep watching, don't go away, and don't forget to thumbs up for me. And all the ingredients used for today's recipe will be at the description down below. So after 10 minutes, it is ready. I will set this aside on a clean pot. I'll break in 5 fresh eggs. Then add seasoning and mix to combine. Whisk or use a very good fork and mix to combine. Exactly what you see me do on the screen. Then after that, I will add some of my green pepper, fresh tomatoes, carrots, and mix to combine. This recipe is super yummy. I love it, and I said let me share with my friends and families here. So on a clean pan, add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. You could use any vegetable oil of your choice, and then allow it to go around the pan. Then transfer your already cooked noodles into the pan and take a clean turning stick or a desirable spoon and spread it. Make sure it goes round the pan. exactly what I'm doing on the screen, everyone. And after spreading it to go around the pan, the next thing I'll do is to go ahead and add my already whisked egg. Hello everyone, if you've watched my video up to this point, please don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment, share and subscribe if you've not done so. Please do join my family here. So after I add my whisked egg, the next thing is to add my fresh tomatoes bit by bit and my onions. I love onions, so I add lots and lots of onions. Do the same if you like it, and then cover on a medium flame for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes it's almost ready. I will allow it for another 5 minutes to bake. It's almost ready. The aroma is taking over the whole kitchen, everyone. And make this for your kids, even you adults, you won't stop eating it. If you have cheese, fine. So you don't even need oven, you don't need cheese to make this yummy noodle pizza. So this is what it looks like. It's ready. So I'll just go ahead and cut it to share for everyone to have a bite. Hello, come join me everyone. So our Maggi noodles is ready. It's very simple to make. You don't need much. Cheap and simple. Alright, stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and bye for now.